Hey everybody, Varun here from Language Academy. Guys, very excited to have Arvind with me. Such a champion. He's a fighter. A lot of attempts before he got his desired score, but he never gave up. Congratulations, Arvind. Your teaching PT was quite a long journey for us. Was full of ups and downs. We were doing everything perfect. Still, we were not getting the score.
Yeah.
Especially in speaking, we were doing each and everything correct. The same things we used to do when we used to get 90. And then we used to get 60, 62, 64, 67.
Yeah.
Right? This time you have got 8 in speaking as well. I would like to start with speaking. What was the difference this time? What did you change which helped you to get 8 in speaking?
Yeah. So firstly, I would like to thank Varun and all teams that they support me to get my desired score. I started my journey last year with struggling in speaking. First time I know that I got 86 in speaking. After that, I took lots of attempts, but I was not getting in speaking. I was getting in reading, listening, and other tasks. But I was struggling in speaking. Then I took lots of mock tests. I do every days and I built my confidence. But still, I was struggling in speaking. But one day, Varun called me and said, "We got new strategies," and he said, "You can come and join us for the mock test." I came on day. He gave me strategy. I was a bit confident that it will work or not work. Then he showed me a few results that these people got 19 speaking because using this strategy. So I tried 4 days. Then I gave exam because then I got 77. Then I confident that at least I improve my speaking this time. Then I did more practice in the speaking strategies. I gave mock test 1, 2 every days. Then second times I got 84 and this time I cleared it.
That's right. Very good. That's very good. One thing which I take out of your practice and journey that you've taken a lot of mock tests.
Yeah.
And it's very crucial you take the mock test, because if you don't really expose yourself to the real exam environment, things are going to be very difficult.
Yeah.
But if you have taken a number of mock tests, you are always prepared for uncertainties.
Yeah.
If something difficult happens in the exam, you won't panic, as it happened this time, right?
Yeah.
Your computer was not working.
Yeah.
So if you expose yourself to the real exam scenario beforehand, you'll be very comfortable and you'll be able to face any uncertainty confidently in the exam. Arvind, how important are the mock tests and how important are the lab sessions? You have spent a lot of time in the lab, I remember.
Yeah.
Right? You have practiced a lot, you have put in a lot of effort. It's not easy to sit here for 6 hours.
Yeah.
Right? Your mind tells you to just give up this thing and that thing. But you were here focused that I have to do it. How important are the lab sessions?
So lab session is very important for me, even other students, because I know that I started in morning from 9 till 6. I give mock test special speaking because I was struggling in speaking. Lab session is important because we are not dependent on repeated question, because we always think that if something read aloud is repeated, then I will do my best 100%. But it's not happen every time. So mock test will help you to increase your confidence, consistency, everything. So if you give mock test and give feedback from the Varun, Ishita or other team members, so you will be confident that where you are lacking, how you performing in actual scenario in exams. So you will be improve your speaking and other sections.
That's right. So basically you get a real picture of what mistakes you're making in the exam. Because mock tests are pretty similar to the real exams. And a lot of time what happens is that if I ask you to do any task, you'll do that perfectly.
Yeah.
While you're doing the mock test, it's a different story. You have to go through the process and then you have to attempt that particular task, and the chances you might make a lot of errors over there. So it's very important you take a number of mock tests, hit it and get the feedback. If you are just doing the mock test and not really sure how to improve and what are your weaknesses, things can be really difficult.
Yeah.
Get the right feedback, take a number of mock tests and make sure you're very focused and do not give up. Any final piece of advice, Arvind, for people who are about to give up, who have already given up, at one point you were as well, that I can't crack speaking. There's something issue with the system. Pearson is not giving me the score. Any advice for them, please?
Yeah, so my final advice is be consistent whatever you are doing. Even in my scenario, I was struggling last year. I was practicing consistently every times, but my fluency wasn't improving. So I tried my best. I never give up. In one scenario, I give up because I thought that I give multiple times, but I was not getting my score. So I was depressed. Then I called Varun and other team members. Then they said, no, you can do it. Then I continuously started and come every day to lab sessions. Then the final advice is be consistent. Whatever you're doing, you will get it.
That's right. That's right. Doesn't matter what happens. You need to make sure you go on for it. You do not have to give up. And whenever you feel like you're giving up, just remember why you started it.
Yeah.
You have started because you have to finish it, and if you don't finish it, you're going to regret it. Sooner or later, you are going to get your desired score. Make sure you're consistent. Be regular in the lab sessions. Get the right feedback, and do not give up till you get your score. You need to do it, and if you have this thing in your mind that yes, doesn't matter what it takes, I'll do it, you will do it 100% like he did. Congratulations once again.
Thank you.
All the very best, guys. Make sure you do not give up. Keep on practicing and get the right feedback. Thanks, guys. I'll see you very soon in the next video.